everyone, I'm Beiming. Welcome to my channel. I've posted several videos on how to practice English speaking, and thank you for your support and questions as well. So this time I'd like to answer some questions or respond to some doubts if you allow me. The first one, when practicing English speaking, how can I make sure that what comes from my mouth is grammatically correct? My answer is no, you can't. Of course not. Grammar is another part of English learning. If you major in English, grammar is even another course. Practicing oral English does not mean you can skip grammar learning. It is not an either A or B issue, but both A and B issue. However, open your mouth, use your voice, and actually say it aloud. These are step one part. Grammar cannot help you to extract words from your mouth, but speaking whenever you can will help. What word that I cannot pronounce, what sentence that even I know the grammar well, I still cannot say it right, why I can't say more fluently, etc., etc. These are the problems that we shall detect and solve in oral practice. Do not let grammar struggle block your speaking. Say it first, then work on saying it right. That's the practical way. The second one, reading can improve your speaking, is nonsense. Well, before you call it nonsense, have you ever tried it? Reading involves your tongue, your throat, your voice, which is the same as speaking. The only difference is reading is to say the words that someone else has written on the paper, while speaking is to express your own thoughts in your mind. In reading, you can know what word will get stuck on your tongue. It might be numbers, year, or some special word in a complicated sentence. Locating these words and saying them more will definitely improve your speaking. Furthermore, reading after some native speaker will help you improve your pronunciation. Reading a good article will help you improve your grammar on word picking, sentence constructing, etc. So try reading once or twice. You will know if I lied or bragged. The third one, my accent. Someone said my accent was lousy. Well, I admit I haven't spent much time on my accent. Actually, I haven't worked specifically on oral practice. I had my bachelor degree in CSU, Shanghai International Studies University, and my master degree in Australia, which means I use English in my daily life and learn from my daily use. So, the learning methods that I shared with you might be a bit different from what you are used to. However, I can promise to you, these methods will help you to improve your English. Because through my daily use, they have proved to be useful and practical. Although I don't have a perfect accent, I still shoot this video in English. Because I want to tell you, using the language to communicate instead of speaking nicely and correctly is the most important. Use your voice, say it aloud. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as you can learn from your mistakes and make progress. If you don't mind my lousy accent, I might consider making some vlogs in English. If you like this video, please give me a thumb. I'm Beiming, a Chinese English translator living in Shanghai, China. See you next time.